Hey everybody, this is Mr. View, and the last assignment, well, not the last assignment, but a Wednesday's assignment, we talked about the UN and how they influence the world and how they're supposed to protect people and there's universal human rights and things like that. And I thought it was very interesting, your responses. You guys had a lot of great responses about how the UN should step in when there are atrocities committed by a country, that maybe we should go to war or we should do sanctions or this or that. And I pointed out in a lot of those responses that you made about what's going on in China right now. And so I wanted to talk about that. I thought, we can go on, we'll talk about France, but let's stop, let's hesitate a little bit. If you were in my class in person, we would be debating this. We'd be talking about this right now. And so if you're in my class today, we're probably doing this together. However, if you're not, I want you to talk about this. I want you to learn about this on your own. So in China right now, there's a group of Muslims called the Uyghur. It looks like this, but that's how it's pronounced. And these people are Muslim and they are being mistreated, if you will. They're being put into internment camps. And there are talks of millions of people being tortured, raped, murdered, sterilized. All of this stuff that we associate with the Holocaust is happening right now in China. And China, as we know, is the most populous country in the world. There's like 1.6 billion. It's 5 or 6 times as many people as are in the United States. So does the UN step in? Does the United States step in and pick this fight with the biggest, baddest bully on the block? Huge repercussions, right? We're talking a possible world war. This isn't somebody we just push over and they fall down. This is somebody that's got the potential to beat us, right? So what's going on in this Xinjiang province of China is crazy and it's an atrocity. Do we step in? And so today, what I'd like you to do, I put a link to a video and there's an article on there. I'd like you to read about it or watch that video or both and tell me how you feel about what's going on in China. Write like a 50-word reaction to what you watched or what you read. That article itself is very long, but it's very interesting. There's a lot of interesting stuff in there, and it really points to the atrocities that are happening right now in China. So I want you to be aware of it. And this is real life stuff happening today in your lifetime, and it's very similar to what happened in the 1940s during World War II in those concentration camps. So do we step up, or do we just kind of let China deal with it?